More than likely you've used silicone sealant, seen someone use silicone sealant, or at least walked by it if you have ventured into a hardware store. Since silicone creates strong adhesive bonds and is resistant to chemicals, moisture, and weathering, there are many uses for it. One of the most common uses for silicone adhesives is for basic repairs around the house. For example, silicone sealants can be used for caulking cracks. Sometimes individuals may use it to try and level surfaces in their home. Water-resistant silicone sealants are ideal for repairing areas around sinks and other areas where water is frequently found. Even though silicone isn't a good substance to use for weight-bearing seals, there is still a need for its powerful adhesive properties in many construction jobs. Silicone sealants are commonly used to bond surfaces such as plastic, metal, and glass together. For example, aquariums are often sealed with silicone. Windows are often sealed to frames with silicone adhesive since it is weather-resistant. Since silicone can keep its adhesive properties when temperatures are high, it is commonly used in automobiles, electronic devices, and appliances. Often silicone adhesives will be used as a bonding agent for parts in car engines, such as a car gasket. In appliances and electronic devices, silicone is used to seal cables and sensors into place. Types of silicone sealants. If you've never used a silicone sealant, you might feel overwhelmed with choices. While all silicone sealants have the same basic adhesive properties, some sealants are designed for specific applications. Therefore, knowing what you will be using silicone sealant will make it easier to determine if you need a specialized sealant. High-temperature sealant. Individuals who are working with objects that get extremely hot should consider purchasing a high-temperature silicone sealant. An excellent high-temperature silicone sealant can withstand temperatures as high as 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also resistant to aging, vibration, and shock. Therefore, this type of sealant is perfect for binding objects, such as valve covers, thermostat housings, and fuel pumps in automobiles. It can also be used for some industrial purposes, such as sealing various gaskets, cable insulation, and ductwork. Electric-grade self-leveling. Electrical-grade self-leveling silicone is another great silicone sealant. It does not contain acetic acid or any other corrosive chemicals. Furthermore, it is highly resistant to weathering, moisture, the sun, and extreme temperatures. Therefore, it is an excellent adhesive to use on materials that are constantly exposed to the elements. For example, this sealant can be used to bind metal, glass, wood, ceramic, or plastic together. Multi-purpose. If you're looking for an adhesive that can do it all, then you should choose a multi-purpose commercial silicone sealant. A multi-purpose sealant should still be resistant to weathering, extreme temperatures, moisture, and vibrations. Furthermore, it can be used on several surfaces, including aluminum, ceramic, glass, metal, wood, plastic, granite, and more. Multi-purpose sealants are also good to have around when home repairs are needed. Build with confidence. Silicone sealants are strong and have many purposes. They are also easy to apply. Silicone's unique properties make it resistant to heat, moisture, and weathering, so it can be applied to a variety of materials across a broad range of industries. Silicone sealants allow you to complete projects in the workplace and at home with total confidence. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the channel.